Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are starting our network course. In today's topic, we will be covering the following topics. What is a network? Basic components of a network. And what are the types of a network? That is, what is LAN, what is MAN, and what is WAN? So let's start. What is a network? Basically, a network can be defined as connectivity between two or more than two devices so that they can communicate, that is, can share information and resources with each other. To create a network, we must have a number of basic components such as network devices, network media, network interfaces, and network protocols. When we talk about network devices, we may think about a group of computers connected together, but a network can also include other items such as servers, printers, mobile phones, and routers and switches. We call these devices as nodes or hosts. The network devices must be connected to each other in some way. This connection can be in the form of copper wire communicating through electrical signals, fiber optic cables communicating through light pulses, or a wireless connection using radio waves. The cables or signals used to connect the host to the network is referred to as the network media. As there are different types of network media, the network host should be equipped with an appropriate interface in order to make the connection. In some cases, a network adapter is an integrated part of the motherboard. This is often the case when connecting to copper-based media, such as twisted pair cable. Finally, we need a protocol. This is an accurate set of rules on how information is permitted and sent onto the network. If the protocols are different, then communication cannot be made between the devices. This is similar to try to speak to someone who doesn't speak your language. Types of network. The first one is LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. LAN is a network that covers a small geographic area like a home, office, and are used to connect computers and network devices usually within the same building. Some of the advantages of LAN are following. LAN is less costly. Data transfer rate is faster. It provides higher security. Switches are used in LAN. The second one is WAN, Wide Area Network. WAN is a network that covers large geographical area such as cities, countries, etc. WAN spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable, or satellite links. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. Routers are used in WAN. And the third one is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is a network that covers larger geographical area than LAN and smaller than WAN. In MAN, various LANs are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. MAN is used for communication between the banks in a city. Difference between LAN and WAN. LAN covers smaller geographical area like a home, whereas WAN covers larger geographical area. LAN is less costly than WAN. Data transfer rate in LAN is faster than WAN. LAN is more secure than WAN. Switches and hubs are used in LAN, whereas routers are used in WAN. LAN is a communication without internet involvement, whereas WAN is a communication via internet. Note: WAN can be within the same room. For example, two friends chatting over Messenger or WhatsApp within the same room through internet.